Welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how I make this amazing rose face oil, which is awesome for your face, and you will thank me for showing you how to make that. Okay, it's very simple, very easy. So let me show you the ingredients that I use to make it. It's very, very simple. So simple, so easy. Look at the color, and it smells so amazing. Smells delicious. You just need a couple of drops like this. Rub it in your hands. Let me get my glasses off, and you put it all over your face. Okay, very simple, very easy, and you have a nice oil for your face. Okay. There you go. So lovely. So guys, please stop buying a very, very expensive things to put on your face, because I think you're just wasting your money. Most of the things that you need for skincare is already inside of your house, and it's much more better, it's much more natural, and it's safer for your skin because it has no chemicals on it. Okay, so let me show you the ingredients that I use to make this oil. So the first ingredient is rose petals. So this is organic rose petals. Okay, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, the rose petal is not like a whole rose. And if you know about roses, organic rose petals looks like this because they're smaller once they're dried. That's how they become very, very small pieces like this. If you see whole roses, I don't think they're organic. Okay, be leery of that. I grow roses and I know how they look once you dry it, and that's the way it looks. Okay, I have my own rose bushes. If you don't have, you just buy organic roses. Okay, so you don't want to put the rose like this because you're not really getting all the properties of it when you put it whole like this. You want to grind up the rose petals. You want to grind it up into a powder. So this is my rose petal powder here. And once you grind it up, it becomes into a fine powder. Now this smells incredibly amazing. I'm gonna grind up some more later, but you wanna grind up like this. The reason why you wanna grind it up like this is because when you grind it up small like that, it becomes smaller. The particles become smaller. And so when you're gonna put oil into it, it's gonna draw out the properties and the benefits of the rose petal in your oil faster because it is smaller. You make the rose petal into a smaller particle. Okay, so the next ingredients that you want to use is some kind of oil. So you can use any carrier oil that you want. You can use olive oil, you can use almond oil if you're not allergic to almonds, you can use safflower oil, you can use any oil of your choice that you like. My oil of choice is almond oil and rapeseed oil. So you can use rapeseed oil, or sometimes I use olive oil because olive oil is much cheaper than those oils. But any oil of choice that you want to use, you can go ahead and use it. So you want to pour your carrier oil into this grinded rose petals, and you want to leave it to infuse for 6 weeks. 6 weeks is the optimum period for all the properties that are inside the petals to infuse into the oil. And if you want more of the properties to infuse into the oil, you could add a tiny bit of vodka to your infusion, and anything that is water soluble is also gonna come out if you want to do that. If you want to get a stronger, more potent infusion, oil infusion. Okay, I do that too. I do both ways, but if you don't have vodka, don't worry about it, it works fine. Okay, so now that I have my oil infused and ready, what I need to do right now is just to pour my oil into a container. I'm using this container because it has a little pouring thingy, you know, right here. And then you need to get oil. And then you need to get a bottle, like a dropper bottle, any bottle that you want. And just pour your oil into it, okay? You can use a funnel if you want, but this one has the little sprout. And it goes in there really, really easy, okay? So you get a little bottle like this to pour your oil into it. And remember to put a label so you know what is in it. I have my labels here and I already put a label on it, okay? Now you can stop right here if you want and just use it as it is, right? Or you can add some essential oils to it. If you're a person who has sensitive skin, don't add essential oil if your skin is very sensitive and essential oils or any fragrance, you know, irritate your skin. This works just fine without any essential oils. Me, certain essential oils irritate me, certain don't. So the ones that don't irritate my skin, I love to use them. So I have some essential oils here, quite a bunch of them. And one of them I'm going to use today is some rose essential oil. Rose essential oil is very expensive, but you just need 1 or 2 drops to add to it if you want that like strong rose smell. So let's add 3 drops of rose essential oil in here just to give it a nice stronger rose smell. If I can get it to drop. Okay, it's finally starting to drop. Okay, so you want to put that in there. You could add any more essential oils that you want. You could add peppermint. For example, if you have, you know, like pimples on your face and you want to add some peppermint in yours, you can add peppermint. I'm just going to add 2 drops in that. Just 2 drops. You do not want to add a lot of peppermint because it's going to be too tingly on the skin. It's going to be very uncomfortable. And I'm also going to add some clove because clove is antibacterial and I love to use clove in my skincare. My skin just love it and it works really well with my skin. So I'm going to put 4 drops of clove in there, okay? Smells so amazing. And then all you're going to do is give it a little shake and put your thingy on it. And there, you have a beautiful oil to use on your face. And all you need is just 1 or 2 drops and you put on your face. And this combination smells amazing. So guys, instead of going out there and spending so much money on skincare, make your own. It's very easy to make your own skincare. And this works much better than the expensive things that you buy in commercially or wherever you buy your skincare products. And I can tell you that because I had acne as a teenager and I also had adult acne in my early 20s and my face was horrible. My chest and my back was horrible with acne. Thankfully it went away because I started using all natural products and my skin got better. So if you're having problem with your skin, you have acne, you have all this problem with your skin, learn to make your own skincare products. Use natural products. Mix up some natural herbs and plants and use it on your skin and see how it works and go from there and save your money. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you make this, please let me know and comment in the bottom if you are a person who makes your own natural products. Ciao, ciao. Stay positive and beautiful. I'll see you in the next one.